Hey guys, this is Mopar Wholesale Parts, and what I'm showing you here are stainless steel license plate frames. I have a couple of black ones and a couple of chrome ones here I'm going to show you. So first we have the black SRT Hellcat license plate frame here. This you can remove after you install it, but with the black frames we have the silver SRT Hellcat look, and with the chrome ones we have the black SRT Hellcat look. So here's the chrome one. This is how it shines. We have the Dodge Challenger, the Challenger license plate frame. And we have the Dodge one here for all your Dodge Mopar vehicles. And we got two of the SRT, one in chrome and one in black. Just wanted to take it out so I can show you how it looks without the paper at the back. But yeah, here's the silver one, and then here's the black one. These do come with the hardware to install. Here's the silver one, or the chrome one. Here are the chrome ones, and here's the black one. For example, let me show you. Here we have the little cover. You would put the screw in here, and you get little rubber pieces to put on the rear bumper where your license plate frame goes. It's got a sticky adhesive to it, so you can stick it on the back part so it doesn't, you know, create vibration. So it gives it like a better flush look. Instead of having just a screw there, you'll have this covered and it'll look pretty cool. These will not cover the state name. I know it is illegal in some states to have the state covered, but let's say for in case Arizona, it will show the state name right here. These license plate frames will give the rear of your vehicle a really cool look. The other ones I want to show you is we have the white and the black Mopar license plate. You can put these in the front of your vehicle, you know, to make it pop more, or you can also put them in the back of your license plate. If you're taking pictures and you don't want your license plate showing, you know, put these over it. But yeah, subscribe to our YouTube channel at Mopar Wholesale Parts and follow us on our Instagram page at Mopar Wholesale Parts. Thanks for watching.